Imagine you wake up in the morning having a relaxed coffee while your Instagram runs on autopilot, like creating and posting reels, updating your stories, and live YouTube shorts as well, all without lifting a finger. Sounds like a perfect Instagram hack, right? Well, in this video, we are revealing the ultimate automation hack that combines the power tools Make.com and HeyGen to turn your content creation and posting process into a fully automated machine. From picking a topic to hitting post, we are automating every process to give back your time. Whether you are a busy entrepreneur or a social media manager or just someone who loves the efficiency, this is about to change the game for you. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in and transform the way you create forever. So guys, as mentioned, we are going with Make.com for our automation workflow development. It's one of the leading no-code platform to quickly and easily develop automation workflows. So if you are new to Make.com, you will get 1 month pro plan free if you sign up using the link that I'll share in the description. So that's it. Once you signed up, you can log in to your Make account. Then you will be navigated to the dashboard. Here you can see. Now you can click on create a new scenario. Then you will be redirected to the scenario editor window. Here you can see. So you can develop the automation workflow here from scratch, or you can simply click here and click on import blueprint. So you can import the blueprints that I'll share you in our school community for this automation. So for this automation purpose, basically we have two automation workflow. This is the first one and this is the second one. So in the first one, what we are doing, we have a Google Sheet where we have many topics to create real videos. So the ChatGPT is creating the title, description, and the prompt for images and prompt for voice, background music, and all. And here we are using FreePic to create images using the prompt generated by ChatGPT. We can go with any other tools as well for image generation like Leonardo, Flex. It's based on your convenience and budget you can choose. I'm going with FreePic. So if you go with FreePic, you will get a €5 credit for free just to do the testing and all. And we are uploading the generated images to Google Drive here, and we are using the JSON to video to create slideshows with the generated images. And now finally we are using HeyGen to create avatar video along with the voice, and we are updating all the details to Google Sheet like title, description, everything you can see here that is generated by ChatGPT, title, description, and the caption, and here the background music prompt as well. So once HeyGen will take some time to create or generate the video. So once we run this scenario, this automation workflow, we have to wait some time. So now we are going to the scenario 2 here. So once the agent generated a video, the process completed, then this automation workflow will be triggered. Here you can see it is a agent's watch new video module. Then we will take all the related data from Google Sheet, like to generate background music and all. Here you can see we are using music file to generate background music using the prompt that we have generated using ChatGPT. Here you can see we are converting the audio file generated from WAV file to MP3 using the APY Hub service. And again, we are using JSON to video here to add the generated background music to the already generated video using HeyGen. And finally, we are uploading the generated video as a reel to Instagram and publishing as reel. And similarly, we are uploading story for the same video, and it's publishing here. Finally, we are uploading the same video as a short to the YouTube as well. So this is the overall summary of these two scenarios. Now let's go one by one to each modules. So we are starting with the Google Sheet where we entered the category and topic for the video generation. Here is the sheet. You can see here we have a category column here and topic. These all we are generated using ChatGPT only for health and wellness sector category. From column C to G, we are again entering these values after running the automation or during the automation process. So here you can see You can add the connection to Google Sheet by simply clicking add button, and you can sign in with Google. So if you have any doubt on connection setup, you can simply click on online help. And once you created the connection, you choose your drive and choose the particular spreadsheet where you have entered all the topics to generate video. And here you can configure like table contents header, yes, and the column range as well. And here we are putting a filter to get the topics that is not processed already. Okay, so that's why we are checking the status here. Status C does not exist. So whenever the automation run, it will take the topics that is not processed already. So that's about the first module. And now here we have a chat GPT module, which is used to create title, description, and prompt for images and audios. So here also you have to create a connection with your OpenAI account. It's pretty easy. You can simply click add button here, and you can give a name for the connection, and you can enter the API key and organization ID here. So to know about API key, you can simply click on this link, and for the organization ID, you can find by following the link that is shown here. So once you created the connection, then I'm going with the create a chat completion GPT. So once you created the connection, you have to choose create a chat completion method, and I'm going with the ChatGPT 4o mini, and that is quicker and cheaper. And here we have two messages. The first one is developer or system message, and again we have a user message as well. Here we are giving the system prompt and the purpose of the this ChatGPT module. And here you can see the detailed prompt, and here we are mentioning the final output structure, that is title, description, and scenes as an array, and background music prompt and caption as well we required. So we will get the output in this structure. And here you can see the user prompt as well. We are passing the topic and category, this all from the Google Sheet that we have already added here these values. So that's about it. And finally we have to enable this response format. We have to choose JSON object to get the output in a proper JSON format to process further in this automation flow. And you have to enable the parse JSON response as yes here. And that's about it. And now we are generating the slideshow using JSON to video. So all these modules are to support that action. Here you can see we are iterating the scenes output that we have received from ChatGPT. Again, we are iterating the image prompts. So we have multiple image. So we have multiple image prompt as well, and we are passing them to free pick. Here you can see we are passing the prompt for image, and here you can see negative prompt. This is actually to remove some kind of images. Like here you can see ugly, malformed, exposing. These kind of images will not be generated if we add these keywords in negative prompt. And here we have multiple styles, and I'm going with digital art. You can go through all this and you can choose the best one that is you like the most. I'm going with digital art, and here we have many other options like color. We can add some color filters, and I'm just keeping it empty. And lightening as well, you can go through these lightening options and choose the best. I'm keeping this also empty. And here we have different framings. I'm going with cinematic. And here we have a guidance scale. This value should be lower than 2, lower than or equal to 2. I'm going with 1.5, an optimum value. And here we have the size of the image to be generated. I'm going with 9:16 is for social story. And on each run, we need to generate 1 images. So we are giving the number 1. And so we are passing the prompts one by one here from the iterator's output. And once generated, is generating as a base 64 image. So we need to upload. We need to convert into the binary form. So that's why we are using a 2 binary option. So between you have to create the connection for your Google Drive module as well. We are using the Google Drive for this conversion and uploading purpose. So same like to do the connection, you can simply click here and sign in with Google. So if you don't have a paid Google account, then the connection is little tricky, but you can simply follow this link and uh, create the connection. So once done, you can choose the location here where you want to upload the image, and you can give the image name as well here. Yeah, that's about it. Now once uploaded the image to the Google Drive, we need to get a share link for further processing. So again, we are using the module get a share link of Google Drive and choosing the exact file. So we'll get the file ID from this module, and we are mapping it to here and giving the role as reader, and the type is anyone here. So that's about this module. And here we are using an array aggregator. To configure the array aggregator, first we have to come here and we have to map the arrays output to this field, slides field. Once you mapped it, then you can come back here to array aggregator. Then you can choose the source module as iterator, this 25th iterator that we are choosing as source module. And here the target structure, you can see we are choosing the slides. This is our target structure. This will appear here in this list only if you choose the array aggregator output in the slides column. So then it is easy. You can see the required fields here. So it's image. We are our media type is image. We are using image to create the slideshows. So that's why we choose the image here. And this is the video. This is the image URL that we have uploaded on Google Drive. And here we have 3 zoom options. We can either zoom in or zoom out or no zoom for our generated image. And this is the duration. So this determines how many seconds each image should show as a slide. So that is this. This is 2.5 second. So that's about it. Now we can continue with the JSON to video to create slideshow with audio module. So coming to JSON to video, you have to create a connection here first. So to create connection, you can simply click here and enter the API key here. To get this, you can simply go to JSON to video. Here you can see, you can simply sign up or get your free API key. If you are new to JSON to video, they'll ask to send enter your email ID. So they will send you the API key to your entered email ID. So you can simply copy it and paste it here for the connection process. So that's about connection. It's pretty easy and direct. In case if you have any doubt, you can follow the online help here. And now we have to choose the output video resolution. I'm choosing with this option. You can see various other options here, but for our purpose, this is more optimum one. And we are now we have already mapped this output array. This contains all the images. This array contains all the images, and I'm not passing any background audio for now. That we will add later. And now it's all done. We can click save here, and now we have to wait for some time to get the movie render. So this module used for that purpose. So once it is rendered, then again the flow will continue here. You can see here another array aggregator. This is to feed this HeyGen module. So same like before, you have to come to HeyGen as well, and you have to create a connection here. You can simply click add and you can enter the API key. So to get the API key, you have to sign up to a HeyGen account. Once you signed up, you can come to the space settings here, and in the space settings, you can see the API. So here you can see the credits and the API key as well. So when you signed up in the free account itself, you will get 10 credits. So 1 credit will be consumed for generating 1 minute video. So that's about it. You can simply copy the API key and come back to the connection, and you can enter it here, and the connection is done. So here we have mapped the video input array. Here we have the rendered video output from the JSON to video module. And here we are mapping the video title that is generated by ChatGPT. Here we are choosing the test mode. If you choose the test mode, it will not consume any credit to create video, but there will be a watermark. So for testing purpose, you can go with the test mode, and once it is done, then you can go with the no. Then it will start to consume the credits, but you will get video without any watermark. And keeping the caption, no, we will add it from JSON to video. And here we are adding a callback ID. This is just the raw number of the particular topic we took from the Google Sheet. So this is required to get back the video details from the in the next scenario. So I'll explain it. Here we are giving the dimension width as 720 and height as 1280. So that's about it. So finally, in the first scenario, we are updating the Google Sheet, the respective row from where we took the topic for this video. Here we are uh, choosing the spreadsheet, the same ID we are giving, and here choosing the sheet and the raw number, the same raw number that we are mapping the first module, first Google Sheet module. And here our table contains headers, so it is yes. And here we are adding the title, description, and the caption and the background music prompt, because we need to create a background music as well that we will do in the next scenario. So that's about this first module. And one thing I missed to create to get a free pick account. Here also you can simply click on add, you can enter the API key. So to get the API key, initially you have to sign up to a free pick account first. So you can simply go to freepick.com and you can sign up to the account, free pick account. So once you signed up, then you have to go to free pick API. So here you can see free pick API. So here you have to go to dashboard, and I'm continue with my created account. You have to go to the dashboard, and here you can see the API settings. You can simply click on get your API key. So you will get API key. Also, as I said, here you can see in the free account you will get €5 for testing purposes. So once you copy the API key, you can simply come back and paste it here for the connection. So that's about the free pick connection. Now let's go to the second scenario. The second scenario, here you can see it will be triggered whenever the HeyGen completed the video generation. So once it is done, here you can see how to create the webhook for this watch new videos. You can simply click on the module and you can click add for the connection. And here we already have one connection that we have created before in the last scenario. And you can choose the event as avatar video success. Then you can click this, then you can click save. Then you will start getting the new videos whenever it completed the process. So that's about it. Now we want to get back the values from the Google Sheet from range A to G. That you can see we are getting the callback ID from the HeyGen module output that we are passing here. As I said before, you can see we are passing the raw number as callback ID. So we'll get the same number here. So we can easily get the range of values from Google Sheet for that particular topic. And here again, now we are updating the status of the video. Here you can see we have completed the video generation. So we are changing the status to generated in Google Sheet. Now we are going to generate the background music for this video. So we have generated the prompt already and we have added in the Google Sheet in the last scenario. So here we are going with Musicify, and you can simply sign up to Musicify and you can get the bearer token from there. And we are using the post method here. And for in the headers, we need to do the authorization, and the key is authorization and the value is bearer space the bearer token that you will get from the Musicify that you have to enter here. So to get the bearer token, you can simply go to Musicify and you can create an account there first. Get started, it's free. You can go with that option. And so once you signed up, you can see here the API session. Here you can create an API token and you can simply copy the token and you can put it here. So that's about it. And here we are going with the body type as row and the content type as JSON that you have to choose from the list. And the request content, this is the body here, this is the JSON. You have to uh, pass here. The key is prompt, and the value, the prompt we are passing from the Google Sheet. In the Google Sheet we stored it from the output of ChatGPT in the last scenario. So that's about it. And then duration is 59 second. In this video we are creating a 59 second video, so that's why we are generating a background music as well with 59 seconds. And the parse response is yes, and that's about it. Now we are going with API hub service to convert the audio that is generated here for the background music, and it is converting from WAV to MP3. And same here, you have, this is the base URL, and we are going with the post method, and this is the, in the header authorization, this is the key API token, and this is the token that you'll get from the API hub. You can simply sign up and you will get the API token. That's very easy and straight. And we are going with the body type as row, and the content type is JSON. And the request content that we are passing the generated audio file here. This is the structure. You can simply map the file URL here, and we are choosing the parse JSON response as yes, and that's about it. Now we will get the MP3 background music as an output to this module. So again, we are using JSON to video module to create the final video. So what we are doing here, we are adding the subtitle and the background music to the video that is generated by HeyGen. Here you can see the body. We are using create a movie from JSON module of JSON to video. Here you can see we have choose the resolution as Instagram story and quality high. And here we are adding the scenes in the scenes array. This is the first element. Here you can see this is for subtitle. We have set some attributes for the subtitle, like all caps and style, font position and font size, language, etc. And the next element is video that we have already created using HeyGen, that we are simply mapping here. You can see from the first module, HeyGen module, we will get the generated video that we are mapping here its URL, and we are resizing by giving its width, size, and the coordinate also we are providing. X is 0, Y 0. You can adjust this based on your requirement. And here the duration is -1 we are providing. That means we are setting the duration automatically to the length of the video that we received here from HeyGen. So the final video length will be the same video that we have received from HeyGen. And the next element is audio. That is the background audio we are adding, that we just generated here, and we are adding it here. So the next element is audio. We can see we are adding the background music to the video, and here you can see we generated the MP3 here, and now we are passing it as a data. And the volume we are giving 0.2. The volume value can be 0, from 0 to 10, any value we can set here. And the duration we have given here -2. That means it will auto trim this audio to the length of this video. That is the parent item for this audio. So the width finally we are setting the 1080 and 1920. So that's about it. So if you have any doubt, or if you are confused about the possible values for all these attributes, you can simply go to the API documentation of JSON to video. Here in this docs section, you will get the API specification. You can simply go there, and here we have video. You can see here, you can see all the possible values, the brightness, contrast, all the possible values you can see here. And as I said, for the volume, you can see the value, minimum value can be 0, greater than 0, equal to 0, and the maximum 10. So same like this, you can see all the possible values possible for these parameters. So that's about it. And now we can save this, and we have to wait until the movie get rendered. We are simply mapping the project ID from this module to this field, so we can get it from here. That's all. Now it's time to upload to Instagram and YouTube. Here we are using our own advanced Instagram modules. You can get it from our website. The link is in the description. And here we are initially uploading as reels in this route. You can see we have to choose the reels as media type, and we are simply passing the video URL from the output of this JSON to video module. And once it is uploaded, we can simply use publish media module. We are simply mapping the creation ID from the previous upload module and choosing the type as a reel. So that's about it. And finally, once we published it, we are simply updating the status as published. And yeah, that's all. And again, we are uploading the same video as story here. You can see here we have to choose the media type as stories. You can keep these fields empty, and we are passing the video URL because we are posting video story. If you are posting a image story, then you have to use these fields, not this one. So that's about it. And once it is published, when once it is uploaded, we have to wait for some time. That's why we are applying some sleep here, and then we can map the creation container ID from this previous upload module, and we are publishing it. So that's all. And finally, we are posting to our YouTube channel. For that, we are using makes on native YouTube module, upload a video module. And here we are downloading the video by simply mapping the URL from JSON to video module. Now we have to create a connection here. You can simply click add and do the further steps to do the connection. If you have any doubt, you can simply follow this online help for making the connection. So once done, we have to map the title for the video that we have created before using ChatGPT that we have stored in Google Sheet. We are simply mapping it here, and for the file, we are mapping it from this HTTP get a file module. And the video category, you can choose from the list based on your video, the correct video category you can choose. And the privacy status also you can set either as private or public or unlisted. I'm going with public. And the description also that we are simply mapping from the Google Sheet where we have stored from the output of ChatGPT model before. And the finally we are going with this video is made for kids. I'm choosing no. So that's about it. So the scenario setup has been completed now. So before wind up, one more thing. So we have done a detailed video about our Instagram advanced app. So I'll add this in the I button, so you can watch it from there if you if you have any, if you want to know further about it, or if any confusion about making connection or something. So that's all for now, and now it's time for running the automation and see the result. Yeah, now let's run the scenario. Now I'm just running the scenario. Yeah, we got one output here. So this is our topic, how to create a balanced diet. So let's wait until ChatGPT generate the outputs. And now you can see the ChatGPT has generated the output. You can see the result. You can see the title, scene array, and the prompt, caption, everything. And now we are iterating, and you can see here the free pick has generated the images. You can see the data. It's in base 64 as I mentioned, and we have uploaded to the Google Drive and created the link, share link. The process is still going on. You can see it's running. Let's wait until it's complete. Yeah, here you can see the scenario for the first scenario execution has been completed. We have initiated the avatar video creation, and here you can see now we have updated the Google Sheet. And now let's wait for the second scenario to run. So when the video creation completed, this scenario will be get triggered and the execution will take place. Yeah, guys, here you can see the video has been generated by HeyGen. So the second scenario got triggered, and we got the generated video here. We have the URL. We are getting some data from Google Sheet, and yeah, and updating the Google Sheet as the status updated. I mean published. So yeah, now the music file has generated the background music. Here we can see we have the file URL here, and we have successfully converted to MP3, and we have the data here, the converted MP3 file, and finally the JSON to video module has initiated the final video generation. Yeah, it's been completed. You can see here, and we have uploaded it to the Instagram already, and the sleep module is running, and let's wait for a few seconds, and we are uploading all to this channel. Let's see the reels. It's yet to upload. Let's wait and see. So as I said, our topic is this one: how to create a balanced diet. You can see the status is updated as generated, and let's wait and see the final result. Yeah, here you can see it has been published successfully as a reel to our Instagram account with the ID ends with 167. Now let's check the Instagram account. Let me refresh. Yeah, here you can see we have generated.
Boost your energy and mood? Let's delve into how to create one. Start with portion control. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins and minerals. Combine whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think quinoa, chicken, and avocado.
Yeah, that's about it. I just paused it. So as I said, we can adjust the position of this avatar and the screen size, everything, as I explained in video. So that's about it. So we have posted it as a reel, and here you can see we have updated the status as published in Google Sheet. And again, now we are uploading it as a story. Let's see. We have uploaded already. Now the publish is yet to done. Let's wait. This also we are doing to the same account. Now there is no story. Let's see. Let's wait. You can see here we have posted the story. Let's see. Let me refresh. Yeah, here you can see we have added as a story here. So
How to create one. Start with portion control. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins and minerals. Combine whole grains, lean.
So as I said, you can see here watermarks because we are generating the video in test mode. Okay, so that's about it. Now you can see we have posted the video to YouTube as well. Let me show you the same in YouTube as well. We have posted it here to this channel. So under the short session, you can see here.
Did you know a balanced diet can boost your energy and mood? Let's delve into how to create one. Start with portion control.
So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So as I said, we can improve the quality of this video a lot by adjusting the avatar location properly, and we can add multiple filters during the image generation and video generation as well. I think you guys understood the steps I explained during the scenario explanation session. So that's about it, guys. See how magical it is. It is really saving a lot of time and making efficient videos and managing your social media. So try it out today itself and run your Instagram on autopilot. So that's a wrap for today. Now you have seen how Make.com and HeyGen can completely take your Instagram game to the next level. Fully automated and insanely efficient. So no more manual processing, no more wasted time. Just effortless content creation on autopilot. And now it's your turn. Also, for more insights and expert guidance on AI and automation, check out our school community Master AI Automation. You can now join at $39 per month to get benefits worth over $11,000. You can see the link for the school community as well in the description. So that's it for now. See you soon with another interesting insight on AI automation.